A scathing international news article has sent Jamaica's tourism ministry into damage control. An article in the United States-based USA Today newspaper painted hotels in Jamaica as dangerous, listing dozens of alleged rape cases committed by hotel workers against American women. The article listed the names of hotels at which the alleged sexual assaults took place and was graphic in its details. The tourism minister has responded. TVJ's Herman Green has that primetime news report.
The report in the United States online newspaper USA Today grimly recounted the experiences of several female tourists who were allegedly raped while vacationing in Jamaica. And like a stake to the heart of the tourism industry, it detailed that the incidents happened inside gated, all-inclusive five-star hotels. Among the victims, a 17-year-old girl allegedly gang raped by lifeguards in a laundry room. We asked Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett about the ministry's view of the article.
Well, we saw the report, which you indicated was over a 7-year period. Right. And we knew of some of the incidents, of course, and they were all dealt with, as you have seen.
However, the USA Today article does not agree with Mr. Bartlett's assertion that they have been dealt with. In fact, the article questions the ability of the Jamaica Constabulary Force to handle the cases, quoting the State Department saying that reporting crime is an archaic, confusing and lengthy process widely believed to be a waste of time. But in spite of the damning allegations, Mr. Bartlett says it's no major threat to the tourism product.
We had 28 million Americans coming over that 7-year period, 74% of whom are women. And the repeat business for tourists from America and elsewhere is 42%. That speaks volumes for the destination in terms of safety and security for our women. So we recognize that from time to time incidents like these may very well occur. Our job is to make sure that they are dealt with and that they are dealt with severely and seriously.
The article also indicated that some victims have taken local hotels including Sandals Resort International to court for the sexual assaults. In response to a request for an interview, Sandals issued a statement saying they have protocols in place across resorts and specific security measures in place at each resort to ensure guest safety. It also said they conduct background checks on employees, conduct extensive training on appropriate guest interactions, and have a zero-tolerance policy for fraternizing with guests. So, will there be any immediate response to defend Jamaica's image?
The immediacy of the action would be as a function of a knee-jerk response. Remember, the story is written based on activities over the last 7 years. So it's a perception which we are working through.
The article also listed a mentally handicapped woman, an Indiana mother gang raped by 3 Cuban soccer players in a resort bathroom stall, and the 2 Detroit mothers raped at gunpoint in their room at the Rio Reggae Hotel in Montego Bay, St. James. In 2017, Jamaica was ranked 3rd behind Egypt and Morocco among the most dangerous countries for female travelers by Skyscanner, a California-based travel research company. Herman Green, TVJ News.